Are we ready to speak the truth, even if we know the consequences are going to be really harsh? Allah said in the Quran, وَتَوَاسَوْا بِالْحَقِّ وَتَوَاسَوْا بِالصَّبْرِ. Speak the truth and then have sabr. But in relationship, we don't speak the truth. We don't speak what's bothering us. If we speak, we get ditched. So we stop sharing our truth. So once we have said our truth in the relationship, then we have sabr. Otherwise, what happens, we think sabr is not saying anything and swallowing the whatever is happening. And then by doing that, we have this strong negative feeling, disgust and hate for this other person we are living with. It could be our spouse, it could be our parents, it could be anybody that we are having that friction with. So that's not sabr. So are we being loyal to the book of Allah? Are we are busy to eat halal chicken. Allah says to eat halal and tayyib. Are we spending the money on this halal food? Is this money halal? We have to look into those. So when we are earning that money, are we conscious of Allah? A lot of the times our spouses force us or pressurizes us that we need to make more money because we have to afford this, afford that, and afford that. And sometimes through genuine means, it's hard. So we go into ingenuine means. So are we having taqwa of Allah at that moment? And if we are not, how is that? We are thinking, okay, I'm earning a bit more money for my family and getting my family appliances that would make our lives easy. But what ends up happening is the barakah is gone. Now we are fighting with each other. Nobody is too busy to nourish us with water, but we are too busy to nourish our souls. When we connect with the book of Allah, we nourish our soul. So seek guidance in this book. Renew the connection with Quran. If